Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make venison steak. First, it is crucial to prepare your venison properly. Begin by trimming any silver skin and excess fat from the steak. This ensures a more tender bite. Next, marinate your venison for at least 2 hours or even overnight to tenderize the meat and add depth of flavor. Finally, allow the steak to come to room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking, promoting even heat distribution. Now, let's talk about cooking methods. Searing is a fantastic way to cook venison steak. Heat a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Sear the steak for 2 to 3 minutes per side to develop a rich, brown crust. For thicker cuts, after searing, you can transfer the pan to an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit to finish cooking through, ensuring perfect doneness. Achieving the perfect doneness is key for venison. For a delicious medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Always use a reliable meat thermometer for accuracy. Once cooked, it is absolutely essential to rest your venison steak. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a more tender and flavorful experience. To elevate your venison steak, consider some flavor enhancements. During the last minute of cooking, baste the steak with melted butter, fresh garlic, and a sprig of rosemary or thyme. This adds incredible aroma and richness. When serving, a simple red wine reduction or a sweet and tangy berry compote pairs wonderfully with venison's rich flavor. Remember to slice the steak against the grain into 1/2 inch thick pieces for the most tender bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.